Greetings, dear learners. Prepare yourselves for an exciting learning adventure as we dive into the captivating subject of the Philippine Law Enforcement Administration, Public Safety, and Criminal Justice System, a comprehensive overview. Keep in mind to prioritize your safety, and may you always be blessed. Welcome to the Teacher Lumaban YouTube channel.
Commit your way to the Lord, trust also in him, and he shall bring it to pass. Psalm 37 verse 5. What is the primary law enforcement agency in the Philippines responsible for maintaining peace and order? A. National Bureau of Investigation, NBI. B. Philippine Drug Enforcement Agency, PDEA. C. Philippine National Police, PNP. D. Bureau of Fire Protection, BFP. Which government agency oversees the PNP and sets policies for police recruitment and discipline? A. Bureau of Fire Protection, BFP. B. National Police Commission, NAPOLCOM. C. Department of Justice, DOJ. D. Bureau of Corrections, BUCR. Which agency in the Philippines is responsible for combating illegal drug activities? A. Bureau of Jail Management and Penology, BJMP. B. Bureau of Corrections, BUCR. C. National Bureau of Investigation, NBI. D. Philippine Drug Enforcement Agency, PDEA. What is the primary responsibility of the Bureau of Fire Protection, BFP? A. Enforcing maritime laws. B. Preventing and suppressing fires. C. Conducting drug raids. D. Overseeing city and municipal jails. Which agency is responsible for maritime safety and search and rescue operations in the Philippines? A. National Disaster Risk Reduction and Management Council, NDRRMC. B. Philippine Coast Guard, PCG. C. Bureau of Fire Protection, BFP. D. National Police Commission, NAPOLCOM. Please compare your selected answers with the answers listed in the answer key provided. If your chosen answer matches the one in the answer key, mark it as correct. After reviewing all the questions and answers, calculate your final score based on the number of correct answers. Point 3. How did you score? Did you achieve a high score? If yes, congratulations on a job well done. If not, don't worry. We will help you deepen your understanding through this video.
Philippine Law Enforcement Administration. Administrasyon ng Pambansang Pulisya ng Pilipinas. Philippine National Police, PNP. The PNP is the primary law enforcement agency in the Philippines responsible for maintaining peace and order, preventing and controlling crimes, and enforcing laws. It is under the jurisdiction of the Department of the Interior and Local Government, DILG. Pambansang Pulisya ng Pilipinas, PNP. Ang PNP ay ang pangunahing ahensyang nagpapatupad ng batas sa Pilipinas na responsable sa pagpapanatili ng kapayapaan at kaayusan, pagpigil at pagkontrol sa mga krimen, at pagpapatupad ng mga batas. Ito ay nasa ilalim ng jurisdiksyon ng Department of the Interior and Local Government, DILG. The PNP has been reorganized into a four-level structure, with the National Police Commission, NAPOLCOM, at the top, followed by the National Headquarters, 17 regional police offices, and 1,689 na city and municipal police stations. Ang PNP ay muling inayos sa isang 4 na antas na istruktura, kung saan ang National Police Commission, NAPOLCOM, sa itaas, na sinusundan ng National Headquarters, 17 regional police offices, at 1,689 na city at municipal police stations. The PNP has also been undergoing reforms to improve its performance, including the implementation of a new anti-corruption policy and the establishment of a new internal affairs unit. Sumasailalim din ng PNP sa mga reforma para mapabuti ang performance nito, kabilang ang pagpapatupad ng bagong pulisya laban sa katiwalian at ang pagtatatag ng bagong Internal Affairs Unit. National Police Commission, NAPOLCOM. NAPOLCOM is a government agency that oversees the PNP. It is responsible for setting policies and standards for the recruitment, training, and discipline of police personnel. National Police Commission, NAPOLCOM. Ang NAPOLCOM ay isang ahensya ng gobyerno na nangangasiwa sa PNP. Responsable ito sa pagtatakda ng mga patakaran at pamantayan para sa pangangalap, pagsasanay, at pagdidisiplina ng mga tauhan ng pulisya. NAPOLCOM has been working to strengthen its oversight of the PNP, including conducting regular inspections and audits. Nagsusumikap ang NAPOLCOM na palakasin ang pangangasiwa nito sa PNP, kabilang ang pagsasagawa ng regular na inspection at pag-audit. Philippine Drug Enforcement Agency, PDEA. PDEA is tasked with combating illegal drug activities in the Philippines. It plays a crucial role in the government's anti-drug campaign. Philippine Drug Enforcement Agency, PDEA. Ang PDEA ay may tungkulin sa pagsugpo sa mga aktibidad ng ilegal na droga sa Pilipinas. Ito ay gumaganap ng isang mahalagang papel sa kampanya ng gobyerno laban sa droga. PDEA has also been reorganized and strengthened. The PDEA now has a dedicated anti-corruption unit and a new laboratory to test illegal drugs. Ang PDEA ay muling inayos at pinalakas. Ang PDEA ay mayroon na ngayong dedikadong anti-corruption unit at bagong laboratorio para masuri ang ilegal na droga. Public Safety. Kaligtasan ng publiko. Bureau of Fire Protection, BFP. BFP is responsible for preventing and suppressing fires and providing emergency medical services. They also conduct fire safety inspections and promote fire safety awareness. Bureau of Fire Protection, BFP. Ang BFP ay may pananagutan sa pagpigil at pagsugpo sa sunog at pagbibigay ng emerhensyang serbisyong medikal. Nagsasagawa rin sila ng mga inspeksyon sa kaligtasan ng sunog at nagtataguyod ng kamalayan sa kaligtasan ng sunog. BFP has been undergoing reforms to improve its fire prevention and suppression capabilities. The BFP has also been providing training to firefighters in disaster risk reduction and management. Ang BFP ay sumasailalim sa mga reforma upang mapabuti ang kanilang mga kakayahan sa pag-iwas at pagsugpo sa sunog. Ang BFP ay nagbibigay din ng pagsasanay sa mga bumbero sa pagbawas at pamamahala ng panganib sa kalamidad. Philippine Coast Guard, PCG. PCG is responsible for maritime safety, search and rescue operations, and the protection of marine resources. It also enforces maritime laws. Philippine Coast Guard, PCG. Ang PCG ay responsable para sa kaligtasan sa dagat, mga operasyon sa paghahanap at pagsagip, at pagprotekta sa mga yamang dagat. Nagpapatupad din ito ng mga batas pandagat. PCG has been involved in a number of maritime security operations, including the rescue of Filipino fishermen and the interception of illegal ships. Ang PCG ay nasangkot sa ilang mga maritime security operations, kabilang ang pagsagip sa mga mangingisdang Pilipino at ang pagharang sa mga ilegal na barko. National Disaster Risk Reduction and Management Council, NDRRMC. NDRRMC coordinates disaster risk reduction and management efforts in the Philippines, including disaster preparedness, response, recovery, and rehabilitation. National Disaster Risk Reduction and Management Council, NDRRMC. Ang NDRRMC ay nag-coordinate ng disaster risk reduction at management efforts sa Pilipinas, kabilang ang disaster preparedness, response, recovery, at rehabilitation. NDRRMC has been working to improve the country's disaster preparedness and response capabilities. The NDRRMC has also been conducting drills and exercises to test the country's disaster response system. Ang NDRRMC ay nagsusumikap upang mapabuti ang kahandaan at kakayahan sa pagtugon sa sakuna ng bansa. Ang NDRRMC ay nagsasagawa rin ng mga drills at exercises upang subukan ang disaster response system ng bansa. Criminal Justice System. Sistema ng hustisyang kriminal. The judiciary, the Philippine judiciary consists of the Supreme Court, Court of Appeals, and lower courts, e.g., regional trial courts and municipal trial courts. The Supreme Court is the highest court in the land and has the power of judicial review. Ang hudikatura ng Pilipinas ay binubuo ng Supreme Court, Court of Appeals, at lower courts, regional trial courts at municipal trial courts. Ang Korte Suprema ang pinakamataas na hukuman sa lupain at may kapangyarihan ng judicial review. The judiciary has been working to improve its efficiency and transparency. The Supreme Court has established a new case management system and has been conducting training for judges and court staff. Nagsusumikap ang hudikatura upang mapabuti ang kahusayan at transparency nito. Ang Korte Suprema ay nagtatag ng isang bagong sistema ng pamamahala ng kaso at nagsasagawa ng pagsasanay para sa mga hukom at kawani ng hukuman. The Department of Justice, DOJ. The DOJ is responsible for the administration of justice, prosecution of crimes, and providing legal advice to government agencies. It oversees the Office of the Prosecutor General and the National Bureau of Investigation, NBI. Ang Department of Justice, DOJ, ang DOJ ay responsable para sa pangangasiwa ng hustisya, pag-uusig ng mga krimen, at pagbibigay ng legal na payo sa mga ahensya ng gobyerno. Ito ang nangangasiwa sa Office of the Prosecutor General at National Bureau of Investigation, NBI. The DOJ has been working to strengthen its prosecution capabilities. The DOJ has also been working to improve the coordination between the different agencies involved in the criminal justice system. Ang DOJ ay nagsusumikap na palakasin ang kanilang mga kakayahan sa pag-uusig. Nagsusumikap din ang DOJ na pahusayin ang koordinasyon sa pagitan ng iba't ibang ahensyang sangkot sa criminal justice system. Correctional Facilities. The Bureau of Corrections (BUCOR) manages prisons and penitentiaries for the incarceration of convicted criminals, while the Bureau of Jail Management and Penology (BJMP) oversees city and municipal jails. Mga pasilidad ng pagwawasto, ang Bureau of Corrections (BUCOR) ang namamahala sa mga kulungan at bilangguan para sa pagkakakulong ng mga nahatulang kriminal, habang ang Bureau of Jail Management and Penology (BJMP) naman ang nangangasiwa sa mga kulungan sa lungsod at munisipyo. The correctional facilities have been working to improve their conditions. The BUCOR has been building new prisons and has been implementing new programs to rehabilitate inmates. Ang mga pasilidad ng pagwawasto ay nagtatrabaho upang mapabuti ang kanilang mga kondisyon. Ang BUCOR ay nagtatayo ng mga bagong kulungan at nagpapatupad ng mga bagong programa para sa rehabilitasyon ng mga bilanggo. Legal system. The Philippines follows a civil law legal system, largely based on Spanish and American legal traditions. The revised penal code, among other statutes, governs criminal offenses. Sistema ng legal, ang Pilipinas ay sumusunod sa isang sistemang legal ng batas sibil, na higit sa lahat ay nakabatay sa mga legal na tradisyon ng Espanyol at Amerikano. Ang binagong Kodigo Penal, bukod sa iba pang mga batas, ay namamahala sa mga kriminal na pagkakasala. The Philippine legal system is undergoing a number of reforms, including the modernization of the criminal justice system and the strengthening of the rule of law. Ang sistemang legal ng Pilipinas ay sumasailalim sa ilang mga reforma, kabilang ang modernisasyon ng sistema ng hustisyang pangkriminal at ang pagpapalakas ng panuntunan ng batas.
Which council coordinates disaster risk reduction and management efforts in the Philippines? A. Department of Justice, DOJ. B. National Bureau of Investigation, NBI. C. National Disaster Risk Reduction and Management Council, NDRRMC. D. Supreme Court. Which branch of the Philippine government has the power of judicial review? A. Legislative. B. Executive. C. Judiciary. D. Police. What is the highest court in the Philippines? A. Court of Appeals. B. Regional Trial Court. C. Supreme Court. D. Municipal Trial Court. Which agency is responsible for the prosecution of crimes and providing legal advice to government agencies? A. National Bureau of Investigation, NBI. B. National Police Commission, NAPOLCOM. C. Department of Justice, DOJ. D. Bureau of Fire Protection, BFP. Which organization manages prisons and penitentiaries for the incarceration of convicted criminals in the Philippines? A. Philippine Drug Enforcement Agency, PDEA. B. Bureau of Corrections, BUCR. C. Bureau of Jail Management and Penology, BJMP. D. National Bureau of Investigation, NBI. What legal system does the Philippines follow? A. Common law. B. Civil law. C. Sharia law. D. Customary law. Which statute governs criminal offenses in the Philippines? A. Revised Penal Code. B. Labor Code. C. Civil Code. D. Family Code. Which agency oversees city and municipal jails in the Philippines? A. National Bureau of Investigation, NBI. B. Department of Justice, DOJ. C. Bureau of Corrections, BUCR. D. Bureau of Jail Management and Penology, BJMP. Which agency has been implementing reforms to improve fire prevention and suppression capabilities in the Philippines? A. National Disaster Risk Reduction and Management Council, NDRRMC. B. Bureau of Fire Protection, BFP. C. Philippine Coast Guard, PCG. D. Supreme Court. Which agency has established a new anti-corruption policy and internal affairs unit within its organization to improve its performance? A. National Bureau of Investigation, NBI. B. Department of Justice, DOJ. C. Philippine Drug Enforcement Agency, PDEA. D. Philippine National Police, PNP. Please compare your selected answers with the answers listed in the answer key provided. If your chosen answer matches the one in the answer key, mark it as correct. After reviewing all the questions and answers, calculate your final score based on the number of correct answers. Point 3. How did you score? Did you achieve a high score? If so, congratulations on a job well done. If not, don't worry. You can review this video to further enhance your understanding of the topic. I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. Philippians 4 verse 13. I hope you found our teacher Lumaban's self-learning video enjoyable and informative. If you gained new knowledge from this video, we would greatly appreciate it if you could give it a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to share it with your friends. If you have any comments, questions, or suggestions, please feel free to leave them in the comment section below. We value your feedback. Thank you very much for watching our videos. We hope to see you again in our next video. May God bless you always. Welcome to the Teacher Lumaban YouTube channel.